Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to suggest an edit on the Yelp application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the restaurant or service to which you would like to suggest an edit, and then click on the relevant one. Then tap on this More button that can be found in the upper right corner of the screen and click on Suggest an Edit. And after that, you should select from these options such as permanently close, duplicate business page. You can suggest an edit in terms of the name of the business. Then the category can also be changed. You can set the address and map location. You can suggest an edit in terms of the opening hours, phone and the website. Link can be added as well as the menu URL and notes for the team. When you have typed in and selected the relevant changes that you would like to suggest or recommend, then click on the Submit button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then the changes will be submitted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.